Oh my! We couldn't get super strong than kids cheering sound effects and his friends. Let's go start again. Ouch!
Haha, I'm going to play the kids cheering sound effects.
New.
Stop right here. I am saving you guys.
Also, I am pretending you.
Thank you for saving us.
You are the best, Rosie DeRaymond and Blossom.
And also thank you for saving.
Thank you, Blossom, or my wife.
Yo, what? I just kidding, Combo Panda.
Let's go to the verses now.
I hate you guys.
I got you more stronger medicine.
Now I'm more stronger. That's my stronger punch now.
Wait, the kids cheering sound effects is gone. That's cool.
Yippee, the kids cheering sound effects is gone. Now we got some peace again. The kids cheering sound effects is banned from Kendra Universe.
Yes, the kids cheering sound effects is gone now. Let's go have a victory dance.